Okay, gang, this is the boxcar I showed you before, the parts. I'm going to paint these little parts in a little while over here, and my magnetic gluing jig came in just a little while ago, and my MEK Solvent came in the other day. So over here I got two pieces, and this is the magnetic gluing station, and put it in the corner there and glue those two pieces, and we'll see how that goes. And that's a bottle of old plastic struck which didn't work well, so I just poured it in another bottle and disposed of it, and I just put a label on there, MEK, so I know what it is. And I got a 32-ounce bottle in the closet there, so I'll have plenty of it. And I'm going to see how long this takes to dry, and if it stays, that'll be good. Then I can glue the next part on. And I'm thinking of making this a sound car, so I'm not going to glue the roof on, just going to let it sit there, but we'll have to wait and see how it lays, and then I'll go from there. And I got to add weights to this and stuff like that. So I'll be back later once this thing, I'm going to give it a little while to dry. I don't know how long MEK takes to set, but we'll see how it goes, and then we'll be back. See you a little later. Okay, back to the gluing. The MEK did not bond at all. I left it on for a couple hours and the parts were still apart. So I did a research and I found that with PLA you need a different kind of glue than MEK, I guess. So I ordered from Amazon last night Gorilla Glue. It's almost like a gel, and it has an applicator, or you can nozzle, you can spray out. So I glued it, and as you can see, it's stuck together. So right now I'm letting it set, because it says to let it for fully curing it's 24 hours. So I'm going to let that set, and then I'll put the other pieces on. So tomorrow morning I'll take a look at it and see how well that put together. So we'll be back after that, and we'll continue the saga of getting this boxcar put together. We'll see you all soon. Okay, guys, got 5 pieces glued together, all 4 sides, and last night put the bottom on, and I'm just letting it set up real good. And as I mentioned, the roof I was just going to lay in there. Let me see if I can get it, and it looks like it will stay there. So I'm going to set this up as a sound car. So this glue here, this Gorilla Glue, really did a job. It's like a gooey stuff, and it's not liquid or anything like that. I just paint it on there. I press it down for about 30-40 seconds and then let it set, and it's pretty good. So today I'm going to start detailing it a little bit, get the trucks and wheels on it and the accessories painted up and put on. So I'll be back a little later on, and hopefully we'll have the car all together and see what it does. Okay, we'll see you all in a little bit. Okay guys, the boxcar is coming along. Painted some details on the sides there, ladders, and then some hooks, painted them silver. On the back we put a ladder, the brake. I got a KD coupler on there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. There's the KD coupler. And on this side over here, ladder, brake, and another KD coupler. On the bottom, got the trucks on, and that's the brass tubing that goes on that wheel that gives me contact. I got one on that wheel and one on that wheel. Drilled a little hole, and then there's some miscellaneous parts that go on the bottom of the car. Tanks. So put it on the track. I can never get these wheels on. There we go. Back and forth, back and forth. Then inside, I added weights, and then you can see the wire coming through. So this roof I'm going to make a little bit longer. It's just 4 millimeters a little too short, because I want it to lay on top of this piece here and this piece here. I think it was supposed to fit in between there, but I'd rather have it lay over top of that, so that way it'll stay there and I don't have to glue it. So I'm going to print that. But right now I'm printing some paint holders. As you can see, my paint is scattered all over the place, so I'm making paint holders for my to organize it a little bit better. That paint holder there, the squares were too small for all these big bottles, but I had all those little bottles that I mix up, so I put them in there. So this little details here. And that jig, like I said before, really helped out a lot. So always good to have the right tools when you're doing things. It made them come almost perfectly square, those corners. I wish I would have had it when I was putting that one together, but you know, it's close enough. So I'll be back later. Once I get the other the roof done, and then I'm going to put decals on it. So we'll see you all in a little while. This is Tom, and everybody just wait for me to come back. Okay guys, I finally finished the roof. I had to make it 4 millimeters longer, and now it just sits there perfectly. And I put decals on there, LV for Lehigh Valley, and then the road number is 7890. So it's all ready to go up on the layout, and eventually I'll get a sound card decoder and speaker to put in there later. But that's it. So it's going to go up on a layout, and we'll see how it runs. So we'll be back then. See you there. Okay guys, here the car has been added to the consist, and it's making its way around. So it's running smooth. Haven't run this train in a while, so the track's probably a little dirty. Train's hesitating a little bit in spots, but the car's making it around. So that's it on the consist. So that's it for this car. So I'm going to park it there for now. And another successful build. And I might dress it up a little bit and weather it, but I'm going to wait until the weather gets nice because I have to spray stuff, and I'd rather do it outside. So I can put some graffiti on there maybe and stuff like that. So that's it for now, and we'll see you all in the next video. This is Tom, and everybody take care.